नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र, आज आपण स्टँडर्ड 6 सब्जेक्ट जनरल सायन्स 16 चॅप्टर द युनिवर्सची एक्सरसाइज पाहणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे नेम दीज. त्यामधील फर्स्ट आहे बर्थ प्लेस ऑफ स्टार्स. आन्सर आहे ह्यूग नेबुली मेड अप ऑफ डस्ट पार्टिकल्स अँड गॅसेस. सेकंड आहे बिगेस्ट प्लॅनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. आन्सर आहे ज्युपिटर. थर्ड आहे द गॅलेक्सी विच इज अवर नेबर. आन्सर अँड्रोमेडा. फोर आहे ब्राइटेस्ट प्लॅनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम. Answer Venus. 5. Planet which largest number of satellite. Answer Jupiter. 6. Planet without a single satellite. Answer Mercury and Venus. 7. Planet with a rotation different from other planet. Answer Venus. 8. A celestial body that carry a tail along. Answer comet. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. त्यामधील फर्स्ट आहे The group of galaxies of which our Milky Way is a part is called dash dash. Answer the group of galaxy of which our Milky Way is part is called local group. Second आहे comets are made of dash dash. Answer comets are made of frozen matter and dust particles. Third आहे the planet dash dash appears as if it is rolling along its orbit. Answer the planet Uranus appears as if it is rolling along its orbit. 4 आहे dash dash is a stormy planet. Answer Jupiter is a stormy planet. 5. The pole star is the best example of a dash dash type of star. Answer the pole star is the best example of a variable type of star. Question 3. Say if the statement given below are right or wrong, rewrite the wrong statement after correcting them. त्यामधील फर्स्ट आहे Venus is the planet closest to the sun. Answer wrong. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. Second, Mercury is called a stormy planet. Answer wrong. Jupiter is called a stormy planet. Third आहे Jupiter is the biggest planet. Answer right. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Question 4. Answer the following. त्यामधील फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे व्हॉट इज द स्पेशल कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ प्लॅनेट मार्स. आन्सर मार्स इज द फोर्थ प्लॅनेट इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम. इट appear reddish as the soil on the Mars contain iron. Hence it is also known as the red planet. The highest and the largest mountain in our solar system called Olympus Mons is present on the planet Mars. Mars has two satellites, Its rotation is in about 24 hours and it takes about 1.88 years to revolve around the sun. B आहे, what are the type of galaxies? Answer, the type of galaxies are according to their shapes. These are spiral, elliptical, curved spiral, irregular. C. Which celestial bodies does a galaxy include? Answer, a galaxy includes innumerable stars and their planetary system. It has many celestial bodies such as a cluster of stars, nebulae, cloud of gases, cloud of dust, death star, newly born star, etc. The Milky Way is our galaxy in which our solar system is included. It has planets, satellites, asteroids, dwarf planets, and meteors. D. Name the different type of star. Answer, there is a great variety in stars. Some are very bright, some are faint. There are many colors among the stars. For example, blue, white, yellow, and reddish. Some stars have a varying brightness. Their luminance changes constantly. According to these characters, the stars are of the star, red giant star, supernova, binary of twin star, and variable stars. E. What are the type of comets and on what basis are they classified? Answer, comets are of two types, long period comets and short period comets. This classification is based on the time taken by them to make a complete revolution around the sun. Long period comets take more than 200 years for revolution, while short period comets like less than 200 years to make one revolution around the sun. F. What is the difference between meteors and meteorites? Answer, meteors are rocky peaks originating from the asteroid belt. Smaller rocky peaks are completely burned due to friction with air when they enter the Earth's atmospheric layer. Meteorites are the rocks that do not burn completely but fall down to the surface of the Earth. G. What are the characteristics of planet Neptune? Neptune is the eighth planet of our solar system. One season on the Neptune planet lasts for over 41 years. The winds blow at a very high speed on Neptune. Neptune has 13 satellites. It takes approximately 16 hours and 11 minutes to rotate around itself and 164 years for one revolution around the sun. Question 5. Match the column. त्यामध्ये ग्रुप ए आहे. फर्स्ट गॅलेक्सी, सेकंड कॉमेट्स, थर्ड सन लाइक स्टार, फोर्थ सॅटर्न, 5 व्हीनस. आणि ग्रुप बी आहे. A from east to west, B 33 satellite, C spiral, D Sirius, E Halley. आणि आन्सर आहे 1 गॅलेक्सी, स्पायरल, कॉमेट्स, हॅले, सनलाइक स्टार, सिरियस, सॅटर्न, 33 satellite and 5 Venus from east to west. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.